Pandas replace NaN with blank/empty string. I have a Pandas data frame as shown below. I want to remove the NaN values with an empty string so that it looks like so.
This will fill NAS, e.g. NaNs, with in place is possible but should be avoided as it makes a copy internally anyway, and it will be deprecated. To fill only a single column, one can use df column 1 instead of df column 1.
This might help. It will replace all NaNs with an empty string.
If you are reading the data frame from a file, say CSV or Excel, then use. This will automatically consider the empty fields as empty strings. If you already have the data frame,
use a formatter if you only want to format it so that it renders nicely when printed. Just use the df.to_string formatters to define custom string formatting, without needlessly modifying your data frame or wasting memory. To get
Try this. Add in place equals true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.